Hi, welcome to lesson 12-3. Tonight we're going to be talking about perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the entire outside. You notice that tape measure there is measuring the perimeter of the word perimeter. In order to find the perimeter, what you need to do is add up all the sides. Let's take a look at our first example. Here's a square. Each side is 5 inches long. In order to find the perimeter, you need to add up all the sides. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. There are 4 sides to a square. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. And don't forget your label, inches. So the perimeter is 20 inches. You can do the perimeter for any shape. Each side of this triangle is 7 inches long. In order to find the perimeter, you add up all the sides. 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21 inches. Did you find a different way how you could do it? Because all of the 3 sides of the triangle are the same length, you could simply take 7 times 3 is 21 inches. Either way works as long as all of the sides are equal length. Here's another shape. Do you know what shape this is? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. This would be a hexagon. In order to find it, you need to add up all the sides. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. If you came up with 12 centimeters, you were correct. What is one other way that you could have done the perimeter of this hexagon? Because they're all the same length, I could have taken 2 times my 6 sides, which would have given me 12 centimeters. When you have irregular shapes, you simply need to add up all of the sides. 5 plus 5 is 10, 11, 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. So the perimeter equals 20 feet. Here's another irregular shape. In order to find the perimeter, you need to add up all the sides. 7 and 2/10. I'm going to cross them off here so I know that I've already written them down. 1 and 1/10. 6 and 4/10. Notice I'm lining up the decimals when I add them up. 1 and 3/10. 2 and 6/10. 4 and 1/10. And my last one is just 3. That's the whole number 3, so I need to put it into the whole number. How many tenths were there? There were 0. What I need to do is I need to add them up. Let's take a look. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 plus 0 is still 17. The 7 goes down below. The 1 jumps up. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 plus 3 is 25. Don't forget to bring down that decimal and then add your label. Now let's take a look at this one. This has the perimeter already added for you. Do you see what is missing? This side right here is missing. You need to figure out what that side would be. How would you figure that out? Well, let's see. To find the perimeter, you need to add up all the sides, but we're missing one. So what we're going to do is we're going to find an equation. 7, here's my 7 centimeters, plus 10 centimeters, plus 7 centimeters, plus 6 centimeters, plus 10 centimeters, plus, let's give this the letter B, equals, what is it going to equal? It's going to equal 49 centimeters. So what I can do is I can add up all of these numbers and find out what the B is. 10 plus 10 is 20. 7 plus 7 is 14. 20 plus 14 is 34. 34 plus 6 is 40. If it equals 49, do you know what this would be? It should be 9. Another way that you could do that is like this. 7 plus 10 plus 7 plus 6 plus 10 is I could add all of those up and I would get to 40. And now I would take my perimeter of 49, subtract my 40, and I would get that missing side of 9 centimeters. Let's take a look at another one that you might encounter. This is a rectangle. It only gives me 2 of the sides. But knowing what I know of a rectangle is if the top side is 6.5 feet, the bottom side would be 6.5 feet. If the right side is 4 feet, then the left side would also be 4 feet. Now you can add them up to find the perimeter. Let's take a look at our fractions first. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 whole. Now I can add up all the wholes. 6, 4, 6, 4. Add them up. You could probably easily do it in your head because I know 6 and 4 is 10, 6 and 4 is 10, and then we had our 2 fractions there for 1, so I should have 21 feet. All right, let's take out your notes. 12-3 at the top. The first definition is perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of any polygon. A polygon, remember, is a shape. So the distance around any type of shape. How do you find the perimeter? You need to add up all the sides. I hope you have a great night, and we will see you tomorrow.